Welcome in, traders. My name is Edward Preston, professional trade coach for day trading futures and forex markets. Today is September 14th, 2009. Hope everybody had a nice weekend. Get things started today on a Monday. Going to take a look at a trade that we had this morning in the mini S&P. Today's spotlight trade is presented to you by Gnostic Trading Software, a comprehensive package of indicators designed to provide traders with access to innovative methods to take profits from the markets while controlling risk. Our spotlight trade, as I said, is with the E-mini S&P. This was a trend following trade signal, and I will say it's a trend following trade signal based off of our quant report. You can find right here at Gnostic.com. This morning we had a 7 on the Richter scale, a 7 quant rank. You can see it there to the far right. We have a scale that is measured from 0 to positive 12 for the long side and 0 to negative 12 for the downside. So coming out of the gate, we did have a very strong signal on the upside. We did get the long signal that came in this morning at 5:51 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. I'm sorry, actually Pacific Time. And the ratio was a 2.95. You can see our risk-reward ratio box down here in the left-hand corner. We had a 2.95 ratio. The profit factor was 3.3 points, which equates to $175 of potential profit, measured from our entry up to our first level of resistance. Profit factor was 3.3, and the risk was 1.12, which is about $62 per contract. So the risk was measured from our long entry to the lower green level here, which is our bear level trigger. So on a bullish trigger, we're looking to get out if it crosses back over the bear. Risking 2%, since this is a trend following signal, risking 2% per 20,000 would equate to 6 units. That's right, this was a very low risk trade based off of our risk reward scenario here. So a 2% risk of 20,000 would equate to a 6 contract scenario. Well, you can see that halfway up would be a conservative stop out for half of your position. So you'd actually want to cover half of your positions halfway to our objective. The objective was met at approximately, let's go ahead and take a look, that was met at 6:39. So only, 40 minutes into the trade. And then the second profit objective, which is our second level of resistance, was achieved 15 minutes into the opening session of the day session stock, so at 6:45. We hit our second profit objective, or third if you're going to take the halfway up approach. So 1, 2, 3 objectives thus far. The final objective was met only about an hour ago, 8:21 Pacific Time. We hit the final objective. Now take a look at this. I'll put this line over here. Take a look and see how accurate these levels really are. This was the top. If you don't believe me, go pull up a day chart, or actually a 5-minute or 15-minute chart on the S&P, and you'll see it for yourself. We went right to this final level of resistance before we tailed off, and this trade worked out to be just perfect. Hey, futures and forex traders, got Gnostic. If you need professional trading tools in a trading room for education and support, send me an email to eptradecoach@gmail.com. That's EP as in Edward Preston, tradecoach@gmail.com. I'll help you get on your way to become a better day trader. You can also call me directly at 877-276-4632. And tomorrow we're going to have a trading session as we do every Tuesday and Thursday at 9:30 Eastern. Get into the trading room at Gnostic.com, and we hope to see you guys all there. Futures trading involves risk and is not suitable for all investors. Everybody happy trading, and I'll see you in the trade room.